Quick disclaimer, we uploaded this on the wrong day. That's why we're saying Saturday and Wednesday instead of Wednesday and Saturday. So, hey, don't be jerks in the comment about it. Thanks. Okay, bye. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys.
How's it going, dude? What's up? Hey guys, welcome to this Saturday video.
Yeah, we're filming really late.
It's 10:30, so we gotta be like a little bit more quiet because
So that's why we're a little quiet today.
because you know, people are sleeping.
Today, we're going to do what's in my mouth challenge.
Yeah.
Basically, we just went around his house grabbing 5 random items.
The loser has to attempt to eat a cat treat. All right, hey, let's get right into it. Malcolm's going first.
Alright.
I'm gonna have to go find a blindfold.
Dude, solid. Kurt, in editing, you're a fucking loser.
Kinky. Kinky. Ow. This is a really good blindfold. I can't see anything.
Just testing it.
What? I feel the air.
We found out we got a blindfold here. So basically, Kurt's gonna go. I'm gonna put all 5 of my objects in his mouth. Not at the same time, but like separately. And then he'll do the same for me. Whoever gets the least amount of points has to eat a piece of cat treat.
This one's a little wet.
This one's a little wet.
No, but Malcolm, it actually can't be like, it can't be seafood. And it can't be like gross.
Well, then I gotta find a new object.
Okay, wet. Dude.
No!
Come on, it's wet.
No, it's not. Malcolm.
Open your mouth!
Malcolm. I'm actually so scared, Malcolm.
Open your mouth!
Open it.
It was foam.
Is that your guess?
No. It's terrible.
Yeah. That's 1 point. Come on.
Wide open.
Do it again. It's a flower.
No.
No.
Rolled up piece of paper.
Oh my god, I was gonna say that. Oh my god. What was that? What is it? Is it a cat toy?
Yes.
Oh, thank fuck.
4th object. This one's like pretty smooth, so don't choke on it. Don't bite it.
Is it seafood?
Yeah.
Is it one of the seashells from that little...
Yeah.
Yep. Final one.
Open your mouth wide open. Wide. I want you to chew it.
No!
Actually, you don't have to. Yeah. Open your mouth.
That was wet! That was wet, wasn't it?
What?
Let me feel it. That was your fingers!
Yeah, what? I'm kidding. That's not the object.
Oh my god, what was that?
Where did it go?
It was a cat treat, wasn't it?
Yeah. He's bad at things so fast. What is that, 4 points?
I got 4 points.
Don't do that.
Don't look, no looking.
Oh, I'm sorry, I looked. I'm really sorry, dude. You should get a new item.
Okay guys, so this is the first item. Alright, so it's pretty self-explanatory what it is. No biting on it. Okay, that's enough time, that's enough time.
What is it? It's like wooden. Is it wooden?
Yeah, that's all the times you get.
Is it a pen?
A pen? Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
No.
What was it?
It's the wooden drumstick.
Ew.
Okay guys, so this is the next object. Here we go, let's see if we can get it. Get your hands away, stop going back.
Why are all your items smooth? What is that? Put it in my mouth.
Then you did it with your lips.
Let me go. Come on. Give it.
Okay. That's all you get. That's all you get. Wait, one more. One more.
So like this, you know, like the plastered hearts.
Is that your final guess?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm already eating the cat treat, so.
It's a light bulb.
I was sucking on a light bulb?
Yeah.
Can I chew this one?
I mean, I guess you could if you really wanted to.
No.
This is the next one. So, yeah, if you can see what that is, I don't know. Wait, stick your tongue out again. No touching with your
It's a flower.
Huh?
It's a flower.
Yeah, you're right. This weird. Okay. No touching it, no touching it.
Ew, what's that?
Oh, don't throw up, please. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Okay, ready? Here, throw your head back, throw your
I
head back.
have one in my
Yeah,
mouth.
2 more coming.
Use a cat food.
No,
What is it?
cat treat.
Come on, dude.
Chew him, get him down.
Ew.
What did it taste like?
Bland fish.
Hey guys, look. I'm Malcolm. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Malcolm.
You guys, I'm Kurt.
Hey guys, I'm Malcolm. Hey guys.
Wait, stop. Alright, do the intro. Wait, guys, stop.
Like all the videos, subscribe down below, drop a comment of videos that you'd like to see next and things you liked about this one. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Kurt&Malcolm. Malcolm, do you have any last words?
Add us on Snapchat.
Add us on Snapchat. Mine is Kurtfeld, Kurtfeld. Malcolm is Malcolm1258. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we will see you guys on Wednesday.
Paste it. Classic YouTube groucho.